Mills Peak Performer Workshop is one of the most important transforming steps of my life. I have become more disciplined and active, and it has helped me in making the best use of the potentials within me. I have stopped cribbing about the truffles. The habit of worrying has vanished to a completely different planet. Meeting such wonderful, talented friends is making me feel really good. My state of happiness has reached an entirely next level of state. I've started valuing my values and being a woman of my words. The Peak Performer Workshop has inspired me in becoming an aspiring leader, in helping in uplifting every living being in need at the right time with the right action. Thank you so much, Danny, for helping me in uplifting my being so remarkably.
My name is Nikunj Agarwal. I live in Kolkata and I'm working as a website developer in National Automobiles. Milt gave me a lot of confidence and lots of positivity in life. Milt gave me ideas of how to deal with many situations. Earlier, I thought, how would I give a speech in front of 20 to 25 people? I was nervous, but after doing this course, Milt increased my confidence level, and now I can easily give a speech with full of confidence and full of expressions, as well as full of motivation. And those 20 to 25 people are one of my best of friends now.
My name is Santosh Jain. I am from Mumbai and by profession I am a practicing chartered accountant. I recently did the Milt Peak Performer Workshop and it's really a great program. The best things about Milt course is that whatever the principles that are taught in the course, it immediately gives you a chance to practice and implement those principles in your day-to-day life. Milt is an association of growth-oriented people. There is a very supportive group and you can build long-term relationships. Milt helps you to grow and achieve your dormant potential. Milt is also about contribution. So many Miltonians are into charitable activities and they contribute to society either by way of Milt Snehalaya, which are homes for destitute children, or the Milt Residential School for children. I also resolve as a Miltonian to continue to contribute to the Milt and other charitable activities.
Milt helped me look back into my life, be it my happiest moments or my saddest ones. It led me to a journey of self-exploration that I wouldn't have been able to go through by myself. Most importantly for me, it helped me break out of my shell and talk to or in front of complete strangers. Being a very shy and usually soft-spoken girl, I could never have imagined myself doing this. I'm a very self-conscious person and this course made me comfortable in front of the camera as well. I now feel as though I could record myself without any hesitation. I can confidently say my communication skills have definitely improved to some extent, and I am now aware of the right and wrong things to say as a leader and even as a basic human being. Overall, I am certain that it has helped me develop my personality.
I am Karthikeyan from Karaikal, doing a small business. I am happy being part of Milt. Milt is the source of spreading positivity. Still, I cannot believe that Milt could make this much change in my mind, that too within 8 online sessions. I am not saying that it has changed me completely, but I sincerely believe that it will make some positive impact in my life for further. Also, Milt created a lot of friends, which I like to maintain for rest of my life. And importantly, Milt made me to understand giving is not charity, giving is my responsibility. I am repeating again, Milt made me to understand giving is not charity, giving is my responsibility.
The term personality refers individuals' mental, physical, emotional and social characteristics. The personality development means it enhancing one's inner and outer self to bring out positive changes. In MILT training, I got a lot of positive changes. Self-confidence, self-acceptance, believing ourselves, knowing our weakness and strength. And I learned that how to speak effectively among the people and importance of verbal and non-verbal communication. Staying within the time limits, a mark of courtesy and professionalism. As a good leader, definitely these traits will be reflecting in my personal and professional life. Also, it will make changes in society as well through my actions.